Hi, I'm Marco San Giovanni. I'm Bruna's nephew, which is my grandma. I'm a third generation Milanese, born and raised here in Milano. I had my grandma with the cooking class that we did today, and we try to explain to people how to make a dessert which is called tiramisu. That actually means cheer me up in English. And we also make fresh pasta. We do tagliatelle and ravioli. The ravioli are with the cacio e pepe filling, and the tagliatelle are with the tomato sauce. In the middle of the flour, okay? And I'm going to break the egg inside the circle, so I need some walls, okay? I'm going to make a bowl and just smash it here, okay? So right now I'm starting to work with the mozzarella. I want to work in the center and not with the finger, but with the hand, okay? I'm gonna start from the edges, like this. I do one movement and then I move the dough. If it sticks to the mozzarella, just add a bit of flour, okay? Right now I'm going to do the tagliatelle. The tagliatelle are one finger wide. If it's wider, it's called pappardelle. If it's less wide, it's called fettuccine. So I'm gonna do my first 3 tagliatelle. So I'm going to flip my knife and put it right here. Okay? Yeah, and then fold it again. And then, yeah. Crazy. And one last time. And have you. That's perfect. I think no one exploded, guys.
Okay.
So
Wow.
Good job, guys.
you did a great
Thank you.
job.